Hey guys, I have a miner in here. So, as you can see, I got lights on, which means I have power. And actually all the breakers are all on too. And so we can't load anything up yet. Oh, okay, technically we can. Like, we have checked every phase, not every breaker, not every outlet, but we checked every phase on every PDU and all the voltages line up perfectly. I have, as you can see, internet's working. I got Foreman working. I have my ocean pool working. I technically have it unplugged because I'm gonna turn the power off later tonight, but the servers are here. All the networking is all set up. Firewall's working, and got all that set up. I got all the PDUs set up with the network. All that, be honest, went pretty smoothly. Had one issue. One of the switches in this pod actually was bad. So I remember I said in the last one here, in the last video, they messed up with this when they built it. So if you know how this works, there is the twist bars come up over here, goes into this part here, and this is where the bus bars are. And so from the twist bars that feed the PDU, they go up over into the bus bar. They're the wrong size. So I gotta get that figured out. I'll wait till Digital Shovel opens here on Monday, Tuesday, get that figured out how they want to fix that. But because there was a switch over here that was bad, it just, for whatever reason, it wasn't working. I'll go home and play with it, but I stole one from right here. So I have another switch at home if I needed to, an extra one. But for now, I just swapped it over. So yeah, all the networking's good. All the internet's good. Got fiber hooked up. Got all the firewall stuff. So I can remotely log into it, which is going to be amazing. And then also should be able to remotely log into all my PDUs. So that'll be something I'm going to test. And yeah, so let's I'm going to walk over to the other side and show you guys. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at, where everything is done. I'm ready to lock up here. I was going to go home and do some more tinkering with the network while it's all hooked up. And then when I get, and then tomorrow morning I'm actually going to shut off all the main breakers because they're all on. So the transformer's on, the main breakers to the pods are on. Everything is on. Technically, I could plug in miners, but we're waiting on the inspector. So in a perfect world, I would have transferred over 200 some miners today to over here to work. I got nothing that would stop me from doing that, other than we're waiting on the inspector. So I think everything's done. Everything we've tested, like I said, all the voltages, everything's good. So yeah, I'm ready to plug in and go. Got the semi cleaned up. We'll keep cleaning it up as we go. But it's the problem when it's kind of nice out. Like right now is sweatshirt weather, so that means it's kind of muddy out. So we just keep dragging in more dirt. But yeah, we'll get the shelves kind of cleaned up here. Everything should be good. Honestly, like I said, we're ready to go. So if I didn't have to wait for the inspector, I would have this thing loaded up with miners right now, but I have to wait. But yeah, today was networking day. Today was check the PDUs day, and then I'm going to shut it off tomorrow so that everything's good to go. Get here tomorrow morning, shut everything off, and so when the inspector comes, hopefully tomorrow, everything's ready to go. So that's the plan. That's where we're at. Yeah. So it should be exciting. This should be a busy week moving some miners over. I have a plan in place. How many miners are going to move? It really comes down to what the power bill is going to be, because we're not turning off the old location. The old location is still going to be running. It's still going to be having miners and hosting for clients. And so there's nothing there to say that, we have to shut off everything by a certain date. We need to move stuff over. And if any of you guys know, there's certain ways, depending on how the power bill is organized, there's certain ways to keep your bill lower. So how you get billed on the power bill. So it's tough to go into. I didn't want to go into it this video. Just saying that there's a time and a place and a reason why I'm only moving over so many miners at a time. Already I have spreadsheets with all the power, what my bills look like, what they could look like, kind of, planning stuff out and projecting. There's a word I was looking for. Projecting what the power bill will be at the end of the month if you do X, Y, and Z. So yeah, just keep in mind I'm always a couple steps ahead, and so that is something I've thought about for a long time and had a plan for. And so all this delaying with getting the switchgear here on time and delaying with this inspector has made me change my plans. But I always had a backup plan or a backup plan. And so we're, it's fine. It's all part of the plan. So it's all good. But yeah, we're going to switch over some miners, but not all of them at day one. We'll slowly move them over the course of this month. So yeah, so you guys as the clients, as someone watching this wanting to get your miner hosted, as you can see, by the time you see this video tomorrow, well, hopefully the inspector will be here or be scheduled to be here, which means it's going to be turned on. So I will be ready. I'll be hosting miners instantly over here. If you want to get your miner hosted, give me an email, contact@iowmining.io, so that we can get that ordered, get that organized, and when your miner shows up, it'll be plugged into one of these slots here and good to go. So yeah, let me know, contact@iowmining.io. Right now, like I said, this month we just dropped our rates to 8.75 cents, which is huge, huge for us, huge for our clients, and even our current clients, all their rates dropped automatically. So, going to take care of them just as I would take care of any new client. So, yeah, everything's good. S21s, L9s. I know the L9s actually are still really cheap, but even though the profitability jumped up quite a bit today with Dogecoin, that was earlier. I haven't checked in the last couple hours, but yeah, we could host those, no issue. So give me an email. And otherwise, thanks guys for checking this out. And next video everything should be up and running. So it should be pretty good to go. So, all right, thanks guys. Have a good night.